you're looking to retire early with just one thing, then keep on watching. The only thing that I used to retire from corporate at 25 years old with $1.5 million is the passive income ecosystem. Hold up if you want to Google it, because you probably can't find it on Google.
What?
This is a system that I created over the span of 7 years. In this video, I will show you a breakdown of exactly what is in the passive income ecosystem, how it all works together, and the amount of money it generated me to help me retire early with $1.5 million. Before we dive into the passive income ecosystem, be sure to hit the like button so the YouTube algorithm can push this video to more freedom seekers. So here's an overview of the passive income ecosystem. You can see that there are 4 components. There's lifestyle realignment, investor personality, monetizable identity, and freedom blueprint. So what do they mean? Lifestyle realignment, simply put, is using Marie Kondo's method in terms of your finances and making sure that you are focusing on only the needle movers and you're saving money without depriving yourself, without decreasing your quality of life. Monetizable identity is leveraging social media to multiply your income streams using your natural gifts and talents so you can make money with ease and flow. Investor personality is designing your investments so they closely align with who you are as a person so it is friction-free. And freedom blueprint is planning your early retirement and planning your financial freedom lifestyle. And here's the passive income ecosystem in more simplified terms. Lifestyle realignment turn into save because that is the outcome that you get after doing lifestyle realignment. Investor personality turn to invest because you will be able to invest with ease and friction-free when you identify what investment strategy closely align with who you are as a person and what you like doing. And by unlocking your monetizable identity, you'll be able to expand to multiple income streams. So that's why this is called expand. And lastly, designing your freedom blueprint leads to financial freedom, which is what the passive income ecosystem is all about. And here's a different perspective of looking at the passive income ecosystem. Your savings and expanded income streams, they both feed into your investments, which then produces investment gains. And those investment gains can then be reinvested back into your portfolios to produce a snowballing effect. So this is what your passive income ecosystem can look like before you're ready to retire. But what does it look like after you are ready to retire? Let's say you want to retire early right now. This is how the passive income ecosystem can lead to financial freedom. So again, with the same components of save, expand, investments, and investment gains, now we have a new component of live, aka financial freedom. In other words, your lifestyle post-retirement. So from the top blue arrow, you can see that save and expand both contribute to your post-retirement lifestyle. And investments as well as your investment gains also contribute to your post-retirement lifestyle. So this is how you have enough money to fund your post-retirement lifestyle. Let's take a look at a real life example, shall we? So this is a pretty conservative view of how the passive income ecosystem can look like in a real life setting. After doing lifestyle realignment, this student is able to save $1,500 per month because she has Marie Kondo'd her finances, adjusting some of her recurring expenses, and also adjusting her living expenses by rent hacking and house hacking. All of these are covered inside my signature program, Early Retirement Academy. And after discovering her monetizable identity, she was able to expand to 2 new income streams, which brings in around $5,000 per month. She also uncovered her unique way of investing that aligns with her investor personality. So she's able to safely withdraw around $2,000 per month from her portfolio every single month. So all of these combined together means she's able to take home around $8,500 from her passive income ecosystem. And of course, you can adjust this number to your own liking and to your own needs based on your freedom blueprint. So to summarize, instead of funding your post-retirement lifestyle with just your savings or just your investments, which is the traditional method to achieve FIRE, in this case, we have 4 parts that directly fund your post-retirement lifestyle. There's savings, there's investments, there's investment gains, and there's also your expanded income streams. In other words, 4 different categories of income streams are feeding directly into your post-retirement lifestyle so you can live an abundant life. So now that you see an overview of what the passive income ecosystem looks like and what each step is, let's take a look at what is the allocation, what is the breakdown of how the passive income ecosystem helped me retire early. So here's a breakdown of how the the passive income ecosystem helped me retire at 25 years old with the FI number of $1.5 million. So around 35% of my FI number came from the income streams that I created from my monetizable identity, which is associated with social media. So stuff like YouTube, stuff like course income, stuff like one-on-one coaching. Around 25% of my FI number came from my 9-to-5 income over the span of 5 years, and that is also closely aligned with my monetizable identity. Around 30% of my FI number came from my investor personality. So it came from designing my investment portfolios, like my stock market portfolio and my real estate portfolio, according to my investor personality. And 10% of that came from lifestyle realignment. So that includes Marie Kondoing my finances, making adjustments to how I'm spending money so that I can eliminate those that no longer bring me joy and does not upgrade my lifestyle. And this also includes house hacking. Again, all of these are covered inside of my signature program, Early Retirement Academy. So far, we've covered an overview of my passive income ecosystem, the breakdown of the passive income streams that helped me retire from corporate at 25 years old with the FI number of $1.5 million. I'm also going to link my next video up here, but don't click on it yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to retire early abundantly. If you're ready to dive a lot deeper and work together, DM me the word FI/RE on Instagram at cherrytongue.co.